Hey guys, so this is Ayush and today I am going to solve your problem of extracting text from YouTube videos. Now this is one of the major issues that is faced by all of us. There is no definite method to extract text from YouTube videos and add it to our notes. But now there is. All you need to do is have SimplifyNote Google Chrome extension on your device. The link to how to add this extension is already there in the I button. You can check this out. Now let's hop on the problem. The first step of extracting text from YouTube videos is that you need to turn on the extension, create a document as per your choice, and then choose the OCR option from the left bottom corner of your screen. After choosing the OCR option, what you have to do is that select the area from which you want the text to be extracted. The OCR of SimplifyNote, one of the best in the world, will recognize the text for you and give it to you. And you can add it in your notes as per heading, subheading, bullet point or paragraph. This OCR is available in 30 plus languages, and all the text that you have extracted from the video directly go to your notes on Google Docs, which you can very easily access by clicking on the extension icon and then clicking once on the document icon that is available in your workspace. So here is all your notes. So go ahead, use it and like and share the video for the same.